NCERT Book 5 Marigold. In this video, we will discuss flying together, question answers of flying together as well as other exercise of the flying together. So let us start flying together. Let us read. This is first section. In this section, we will discuss about questions and we have to answer depending upon the story. Okay. So how do we understand that we have clear about the story? If we can answer these questions correctly, means we have understood the story. So let us take first question. Where did the geese live? Geese जो ग्रुप था वो कहाँ रहता था? The geese lived on a very tall tree in deep forest. Okay, so you can notice did, this is past tense. So if question is in past tense, so answer will be in past tense. Okay, the geese lived on a very tall tree in deep forest. Question number 2. Why did the old bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? Okay, so again the question is in past tense, so we will answer in past. So we will start answer from here. The old bird advised, we will make it past. The old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper because, answer will start from here then. The old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper up to here from the question only. Then because it will grow soon, then a hunter can climb on the tree with the help of creeper to kill the birds. Okay. Third question. Why did the geese cry help, help? Answer is the geese cried help, help because these were trapped in the net of a hunter. वो एक शिकारी के जाल में फंस गए थे, इसीलिए हेल्प हेल्प के लिए बोल रहे थे. What did the hunter do when he thought that the geese were dead? Answer. The hunter threw the geese one by one when he thought that geese were dead. अगर जब उसे लगा कि भाई सभी के सभी गीज जो हैं, गूस जो हैं वो मरे हुए हैं, तो उसने एक एक करके सबको बाहर फेंकना शुरू कर दिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाई डिड द गीज प्रिटेंड टू बी डेड? उन्होंने मरने का नाटक क्यों किया? द गीज प्रिटेंडेड टू बी डेड बिकॉज नोबडी टेक्स डेड गीज विद देम. ओके, शिकारी मरे हुए पक्षियों का कोई प्रयोग नहीं करता, इसलिए उसको छोड़ दिया. Describe one incident when you got into trouble because you did not do your work on time. Okay, आपको कोई काम मिला हो और आपने वो काम न किया हो, उससे आपको परेशानी हुई हो. ऐसा कोई एक काम, एक इंसिडेंट आपको लिखना है. ये आपका होमवर्क है. आपको अपने आप सोचना है कि आपने ऐसा कौन सा काम था जो नहीं किया जिसकी वजह से आपको परेशानी हो गई. जैसे आपने टीचर ने कभी होमवर्क दिया, आपने नहीं किया तो स्कूल में आपको डांट पड़ी होगी. मदर ने कोई काम कहा, आपने नहीं किया तो डांट पड़ी होगी. तो ऐसी कौन सी वजह थी जो आपको पहले कहा गया करने के लिए, आपने नहीं किया और उसकी वजह से आपको बाद में परेशानी हुई. स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू और फॉल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टोरी. स्टोरी के हिसाब से बताना है कि जो नीचे वाली स्टेटमेंट्स हैं वो ट्रू हैं या फॉल्स हैं, वो घटना कहानी में हुई थी या नहीं हुई थी. फर्स्ट, the tree was the house of a flock of parrots. So this is wrong because the tree was house of a flock of geese. So this is false. Second statement, the wise old bird wanted to the creeper to be destroyed. Yes, वो creeper को destroy करना चाहते थे. True. 3, the hunter climbed the tree with the help of ladder. False, क्योंकि वो तो क्रीपर की हेल्प से चढ़े थे. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग, मीन्स फॉल्स. व्हेन कॉट इन द नेट द फुलिश बर्ड बिगिंस टू वीप. यस, उन्होंने जोर जोर से चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया. क्राई और वीप इज अ सेम थिंग. द वाइज ओल्ड बर्ड हेल्प देम टू स्केप. जो बूढ़ा समझदार पक्षी था उसने सबकी हेल्प की थी उसे निकलने के लिए. यस, ट्रू. Now let us talk. In talking, at least two persons are required, so we have two characters. Work in pairs. Ask your friend questions about the things he does. Like, you question words, use question words such as where, what, how, who, when, why. These are called as question words, and whenever we ask some question, we use these words. Okay, so one is done for you. Anu, I watch TV in the evening. So question for this, when do you watch TV? So in this, when is used. So now the next answer is, I play game. What can be the question for this? What do you do in leisure time? आप खाली समय में क्या करते हैं? So answer will be, I play games. Next है, I collect stamps. So what can be the question for this? What do you collect? Now, Anu, I play in ground. So question could be, where do you play? So now read reverse. Amit, where do you play? So answer will be, I play in ground. Amit again ask question. What do you collect? Anu, I collect stamps. What do you do in leisure time? Anu, I play games. When do you watch TV? I watch TV in the evening. So we have to prepare questions by using these question words like where, what, how, who, when, why. So next question, Anu, on Sunday I go shopping. So what could be the question? When do you go for shopping? So answer will be, on Sunday I go shopping. Answer these questions. About yourself means what do you do? What is your name? So what should be the answer? My name is, now you write your name in the blank space, because each student will have different name. So this is provided blank space, you write your own name. What languages do you speak? So the answer will be, I speak, now write languages. You speak Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu. So whatever language you write with separated by commas, and with before last language use and. Suppose there are two languages, Hindi and English, so you can write, I speak English and Hindi. How old are you? Question is, this is not there. How old are you? I am 11 years old, or 12 years old, or 13-year-olds. You have to write your age. Okay. Next question, which is your favorite food? So the answer will be, my favorite food is, we have to write the answer of my, but whatever favorite food for you, you can write name. Where did you go yesterday? Yesterday I went to, so wherever you went yesterday, you can write here. Which country do you belong to? I belong to India. So this is common country for all of us, so I have provided the answer. When do you go to sleep? So answer will be, I go to sleep at 9:30 p.m. You can write, I go to sleep at 10 p.m. You can write, I go to sleep at 9 p.m. So whatever your time, you can write here. Why do you drink milk? Why do you drink milk? I drink milk because it makes me strong. Okay. Here you can write another answer. I drink milk because I like it. So whatever you feel, you can write here in this space. Okay. In groups of 5, discuss what you would do if you will were caught in the following situations. You ask your friends if they will caught in this situation, what will they do? Your friend falls in play field and is hurt. वो खेल रहा था आपके साथ और प्लेग्राउंड में चोट लग गई उसको, क्या करेंगे? So answer could be, we will take our friend to a doctor. Okay. Answer may be different for different students. Some may will say, we will take our friend to teachers, we will call teacher, we can call to their parent. Okay, so each student may have different answers, so you can write your own answer even. You are trapped in fire, आप आग में फंस गए हैं, तो क्या करेंगे? We will call at 101 to fire services. This is 101 number is for fire services. Fire safety department people will come and help you. So we will call at 101 to fire service department and then shouting. Okay, we will start shouting. You are stuck in a traffic jam. What will you do? We will wait to open the traffic jam, or we will take another route, or we will try to open the traffic jam. So different student may have different answers. You can write your own answers. Now, the words in the clouds describe something or someone in the story. Name them in blanks provided. So wise. So who was wise in the story? Old bird. Careless. Who were careless? The geese were careless. Thick and strong. The creeper was thick and strong. Okay. Tall. Tree was tall. Foolish. The geese were foolish. The geese were foolish. Now make sentences of your own with the words given in the cloud. So I have made one sentences for each word. You can make your own sentence and write. Okay, for example, the old bird was wise, the geese were careless, the creeper was thick and strong, the geese were foolish, the tree was tall. Okay, so in this way you can make your own sentences and write in notebook. Here are some answers about the given creature. The color of the ant is black. It lives on land. It has two long antennae. It crawls on the ground. It eats sugar. Now we have to frame question for each. The color of the ant is black. So, what is the color of the ant? This question will be there. It lives on land. So, question will be, where does it live? It lives on land. For third, it has two long antennae. How many antennae does it have? It has two long antennae. It crawls on the ground. How does it move on the ground? It crawls on the ground. It eats sugar. So what can be the question? What does it eat? So you can think one thing, that questions were in present form, answers will be in present. If questions will be in past, the answer will be in past. Okay, tense of question and answer will be same. Now fill in the blanks with the prepositions such as to, at, of, on, in, it, into, with. Okay, so one question is complete. The tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. Okay, the second is, he noticed the creeper the foot of the tree. Okay, so the answer will be at. He noticed the creeper at the foot of the tree. It would be pity to destroy it now. As they flew off the tree, they were trapped. Okay, when this relation is separating, they are separating off from the tree, the off is used. The boy ran with the dog. The frog jumped into the well. The girl was thrilled to see her new cycle. The birds were caught in the net. The children walked on the bridge. Okay, because they are touching the bridge, so the children walked on the bridge. Complete the paragraph with suitable words from the box. Around, across, with, along to, after, next to, into form. We have to use this word to complete the paragraph. One day I was walking along the bank of the river. रिवर के बैंक यानी किनारे के साथ साथ मैं जा रहा था. I saw my friends running across the field. वो दूसरी तरफ से भागा हुआ आ रहा था. He was calling my name and waving to me. I stopped and waited. After some time, he reached where I was standing. He said, I went all around the town looking for you. I have some exciting news to share with you. Do you remember the old house next to the neem tree? Guess who is moving to house? Janak Das, the great magician. Now we can learn lots of magic trick from him. Okay. Fill in the blanks given below with question words. For example, where do you live? So where is the question word? Blank, do you play? So the answer will be where do you play? Question word will be where do you play? Do you get up? When do you get up? Do you have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast? Do you go to school? How do you go to school? When do you go to school? We can use both. Do you like best in the school? Games, art or music? What do you like best in the school? Games, art or music? Is your birthday? When is your birthday? Do you want for your birthday? What do you want for your birthday? So we can use the question words like this. So this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.